I thought I would explain what my 6th grader just did. We dissected a
rhododendron and another
spiderwort.
A spiderwort.
What are these parts?
So this is the sepal. It supports the flower when it's growing. This is the pistil. It's the female part of the flower. And then at the top, it's the stigma. It collects pollen, and then it goes down the style to the ovary where the seeds are coming. This place is cool, I like it. The male part is called the stamen, over here. On the top of it, it's called the anther. They also have pollen. And the stem that supports this is called the filament. And then you have a petal, of course.
And we dissected it, and here under the microscope, you can see inside the ovary, you can actually see that's how I got it. These are the ovules. Once pollinated, they will later turn into seeds.